Hi guys, this is Marcela. Hope you are really well. Some of our followers have requested tutorials on how to do some half up and half down styles for every day. So today I'm going to show you 3 beautiful and easy options.
Today we're going to do 3 cute hairstyles perfect for every day. Let's get started.
For the first option, we're going to start by picking up a bunch of hair from the top of the head and we're going to hold it into a ponytail using an elastic band. Perfect. Now we're going to split this section into 3 equal pieces and we're going to start doing a regular braid, crossing the outside strands over the middle one. In here I'm going to cross this strand over the middle and I'm going to add a small piece of hair from the right side, and as well we're going to add a small piece of hair to the left side. Now cross this strand over the middle, add hair to the braid, cross this strand over and add hair from the left side. We're going to do it one more time. Cross this strand over the middle one, add a small piece of hair to the braid and add the last piece of hair as well. In here we're going to do 2 or 3 more stitches of the braid so it won't be loose. And then we're going to hold it with an elastic band just where we add the last piece of hair. To finish, I'm going to cover the elastic using these cute clips. And this is the result. I like it so much. The hair looks beautiful and it's so easy to do. For the second option, we're going to do a division in the middle of the head and then we're going to do another one from here to the ear on each side. Now we're going to hold this section into a ponytail for a while so it will be out of the way. We're going to start by picking up a small piece of hair in this corner and we're going to do a French braid crossing the outside strands over the middle one. We're going to add hair from the front. And now cross this strand over the middle and from the front cross this strand over the middle one and add a tiny piece of hair to the braid. One more time, cross over the middle and we're going to add hair to the braid from the front. Remember, we're just gonna add the hair from the front and we're going to keep doing the same thing until we add the remaining hair. As you can see guys, we're going to bring the braid a little bit to the back so the braid will finish in the middle of the head and then hold it with an elastic. On the other side, we're going to follow exactly the same steps and hold the braid at the end. when we are ready with both of the braids, we're going to join them together at the back and hold them using an elastic. In here we can take off the other elastics. And now we can let down the rest of the hair. To finish, I'm going to decorate this hairstyle with this cute little bow. And here we have a simple option but so pretty. For the last hairstyle, we're going to do a division all around the ear, like this. And we're going to do exactly the same division on the other side. Now we're going to hold the middle section so it will be out of the way while we are doing the hairstyle. We're going to start on one of the sides. I'm going to do a division. And then we're going to hold this section with an elastic. Now we're going to do a second division and hold this piece of hair as well. You can use different colors. I'm going to use just red elastics for this time. And I'm going to do one more division, so we will have a total of 4 little ponytails on this side. For the right side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to split the hair in 4 pieces and hold each one of the sections with an elastic. Perfect. Now we can let down this section of hair and we're going to comb it very well. We're going to grab the first ponytail from the left side. I'm going to hold this one in here, grab the second ponytail and join them together. So remember, this is the first ponytail from the left side and the second one from the right side. Perfect. Now grab the first ponytail from this side, bring it to the other one, and join it to the second ponytail. Next, we're going to grab the second ponytail from this side, bring it to the other one and join it to the third ponytail. And as well, the second ponytail from the left side, we're going to join it to the third ponytail and hold them with an elastic. To finish, we're going to hold the last 2 ponytails with the opposite ones. In here, I'm going to hold the middle section out of the way and hold the last 2 ponytails underneath the hair. And here we have the result. I think this is my favorite option. It is so fun, pretty, and the hair holds very well during the whole day.
We hope you guys liked the video. If so, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments down below which hairstyle was your favorite. Also, if you want to see more hairstyles from us, click here, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!